Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an LG CordZero, anything in the A9 series stick vacuum, and you need to replace the battery. Now you might be here because you know you need to replace the battery, or you might be here because you're having issues where your vacuum is not holding a charge. It's like discharging very quickly, or the batteries are no longer charging, or the suction is very weak on your vacuum. You're probably going to need to just get a new battery. Now you can buy aftermarket of these batteries for about $50 to $60 if you're willing to not get an LG, and they work really well. I'll put a link in the description to a highly rated replacement battery. But all you need to do, you're just going to do the same thing that you would do with a normal battery. They fit perfectly. You're just going to use these two tabs to slide it out of the vacuum, and then you can do actually the same thing in the wall mount, and it will charge here and also charge in the vacuum. But anyway, that's really all there is to it. Again, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get those replacement batteries, and then you can just pop them in like the old batteries. Thanks a lot for watching.